Now guys, method 2 is to create tool. So if you will just go to blog, you will see method 2, that is create a tool. Okay, so how this method will going to work and how it will going to help you. See, what you can do is that, my friends, you can just build online tool. Okay, now this tool can be free or let's say paid tool. Okay, and there you have to promote, basically you need to promote your API within your tools. Okay, so the tool can be free or a paid tool. For example, if you will just go to this website spyfoo.com, and if you will see the pricing of this, so basically this is one tool. Okay, that will going to help us for your SEO, PPC and everything. Okay, so it's a tool. So basically if you will just go to pricing, now you will going to see that within their paid tool, okay, they are just promoting their API. You can see API access through the paid membership. Okay, but what they are doing is that they are just promoting their API within their tool. So same you can do, maybe you can create even free tool. Okay, so in this example it is a paid tool, but you can, let's say, create free tools. For example, there are various SEO free tools. Okay, or let's say hashtag generator tool. Okay, so you can see that this is the hashtag generator tool for Instagram. Okay, so you can create some API that is related to hashtag for Instagram. Okay, and now what you can do, you can just create one free tool. Okay, and when you will going to create free tool, and let's say inside here you can just put one button, buy hashtag generator API, like this. Okay, so there are lots of traffic which comes to free tools. So when people will going to use your free tools, and when they will going to see your API is also available, so they will click on your API and they will purchase it. Okay, and you can create these tools maybe on your WordPress website. Okay, and you can use ChatGPT to create tool as well, right? So I will try to create one course on how you can create different tools using ChatGPT and WordPress. Okay, so that you will, at very low cost, you can get amazing results. But right now I don't have that course where I can teach you, but you can just search for online on YouTube maybe, or maybe on search engines like Google and Yahoo, how to create free tools using ChatGPT. You will going to find lots of tutorial. So basically you can create free tool or a paid tool, and inside your tool, it can be free or a paid tool, and inside that tool you can promote your API. Okay, like I have shown you with the SpyFu example. Okay,